So in this question says, if rupees 4,000 becomes rupees 4,400, means I have deposited rupees 4,000 in the bank, and when I have taken the withdrawal, I got rupees 4,400. Means the extra money I am getting here is rupees 400. And in the starting only I told you, whatever extra money you will get, or you have to pay. If you have given money, then you will get extra money. But if you have borrowed, then you have to pay it. The extra money is known as principal. So here, simple interest. Here you are getting 400 rupees extra. So that is your simple interest. At a certain rate of interest. Means rate of interest is not given to you. In 2 years. Time is given 2 years. Find rate percentage per annum. We have to find out rate of percent. Now, what is given to you? Principal is rupees 4,000. And this 4,400. This complete thing we used to write it as amount. So, amount we got of rupees 4,400. The formula for amount is principal plus simple interest or interest. Here we are discussing about simple interest. That's why I am writing simple interest. Fine. So simple interest is equal to 4,400. Principal 4,000. Interest we don't know. So from here 4,000 is in plus. When it will go in minus, you will get 4,400 minus 4,000. So interest of rupees 400. Time is already given to you. Time period is of 2 years. Now, what thing is left? Rate of interest. So the formula for rate of interest is SI, simple interest, multiplied by 100 upon principal multiplied by time. So rate we don't know. Simple interest is of 400 rupees multiplied by 100. Principal is of 4,000 multiplied by 2. 2 0 2 here 1 0. 4 will be cancelled by 4. 1 is a 5 is a. So rate of interest I got 5%. Means at the rate of 5% per annum we will get rupees 4,000 will become rupees 4,400 in 2 years. Here question says a farmer borrowed rupees 20,000 from a money lender. In the beginning only I told you the money which we will borrow, that is known as principal. So according to this question, my principal is rupees 20,000 rupees. Fine. From a money lender at 12% per annum. Percentage per annum means rate of interest. So rate of interest is 12% per annum. Fine. Annum for 3 years. Time is of 3 years. So before reading further, solve the simple interest concept here. So simple interest you have to pay on this is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time upon 100. So the simple interest will become, when we will put the form values, principal is of 20,000, rate is of 12% and time is 3 years upon 100. 2 0 will be cancelled by 2 0. When you will multiply, you will get 7,200 rupees. Means this much simple interest you have to pay. Now, if you want to clear the loan, then you have to pay principal plus simple interest. Both the things you have to pay, then your loan will get clear. Means in simple words we can say we have to pay amount. Amount is sum of principal plus interest. Fine. So principal is 20,000 plus interest I got 7,200 rupees. So means I have to pay 27,200 rupees. Clear? 27,200 rupees I have to pay to clear the whole loan. But here the question further says he settled his loan by paying rupees 15,000. Means he is not paying complete amount. He is paying 15,000 and a buffalo to clear his loan. Means the 15,000 plus the cost of buffalo is equal to this amount. Fine? Because he cleared his loan by paying that thing and ultimately he have to pay this thing. So both are equal. That's why his loan is get settled. So we can say from here cost of buffalo plus one thing he paid one buffalo and rupees 15,000 plus 15,000 is equal to 27,200 rupees. Because he want to settle his complete loan, and to settle his complete loan he has to pay amount. So for settlement he paid he gave one buffalo and he paid rupees 15,000. So from here we can calculate cost of buffalo. Cost of buffalo will be this 15,000 is in plus, that side it will go in minus. 27,200 minus 15,000. So you will get 12,200. So we can say the cost of buffalo is rupees 12,200 rupees, because after paying this much amount his loan get settled, but he is not paying, he is giving one buffalo. So the cost of the buffalo we get 12,200 rupees. Let us see the basic question where we have to find out simple interest and amount. Question says a sum of rupees 1200 means 1200 rupees is lent for for 2 years. Means this is money which we are borrowing and this for this much time period. So the money which we used to borrow, that is principal, this is time, at the rate of 5% per annum. So this will be our rate of interest. Fine. So principal is given to you rupees 1200. Drawing is of 2 years and rate is 5% per annum. We have to calculate two things. First is SI, simple interest, and second is amount. So for amount also, first of all we should know how much interest we are getting. So first of all find out the simple interest. Formula we have discussed: principal multiply by rate multiply by time upon 100. Now principal is of 1200 rupees, rate is 2 years and time is rate is 5% and time is 2 years upon 100. Clear? Now 20 will be cancelled by 20. 5 twos are 10 and 10 multiplied by 12, we will get rupees 120. Means from 1200 rupees at the rate of 5% per annum, in 2 years I will get interest of rupees 120. Now I have to find out the amount. Formula for amount is quite simple. Principal plus principal plus interest. Means the total value of money which we have to give. That is amount. Fine. So total money one we have to give principal. That is 1200 rupees. And then we have to give simple interest of 120 rupees. So total I will pay 1320 rupees. So that will be your amount. So formula for amount is principal plus interest. Here we are talking about simple interest. So we have to put that value. I hope the complete concept is clear to you. How to find out simple interest and how to find out the amount.